Okay, we just got into the Residence Inn, Lake Buena Vista. I think it's over on the Universal side of Orlando. This is a 2-bedroom suite. So, actually, let's start here. There's the door. And then you have a little kitchen area here. Full-size refrigerator.
Full-size stove and dishwasher.
Full-size stove and dishwasher. Microwave. Coffee maker, a little bit of coffee for it. If you're staying a while, you're going to need more. And then you have a little table area here.
And it does have complimentary breakfast.
Okay, free breakfast. And then this is the living room area. You've got a decent sized TV. A little chair, table, couch, and a little desk.
Did you notice that it has 2 bathrooms?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, it has 2 bathrooms. And then I don't think we have a balcony. So this is the pool view here. So, and then going into this is a double bedroom, like a double, 2 double beds. No. And got closet space here. Pretty decent closet, actually. It's kind of big. I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of big. And then you have a bathroom right here. We have a little vanity area here. Let's see. And then I heard him say, "Oh, this is cute." So I don't know what he's found. And then you've got a small bathroom here, but it is a full bathroom. Shower. Got the soap on the wall. Everything looks really clean in here too. That's the other thing. Everything looks really clean from what I can tell. And then go over here. So here's the front door. Here's the first bedroom with 2 beds. And then on this side, sorry if I'm going too fast, you've got the other bedroom with 1 bed. And you've got another little desk here and a lamp. And you've got another pretty decent sized TV. And then you've got another window with a pool view. You see Hilton over there. It's like a little triangular shaped place. There's a fire pit down there. You can see a little bit better some of the stuff here. There's a swimming pool and a hot tub back there in the corner. And then you go this way. See, you've got a full-size mirror here. Got another little section of a sink and some more storage here. And then you go into the second bathroom, which is actually the same size. Same soap on the wall. All of that stuff. And let's see. So, yeah, it's pretty nice. We're only going to be here 1 night, but it's really nice. Okay, I just wanted to add really quickly that the only USBs in this room are on these alarm clocks. And there's 2, one in this room and one in the other room. There's 2 on each one.